Arielle with Urban Harvest STL, and today in partnership with the Varden Vertical Garden System, I am going to show you a way to install this vertical growing system at home. With an alternative, that means that you won't have to drill directly into the wall or directly into your vertical surface. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to do a variation where we use some 2x4 lumber to mount the system onto the lumber and then lean it against the wall. So this is a versatile alternative if you're not looking to drill directly into your exterior wall. And it's also a really inexpensive option. Everything that you need other than your drill or your screwdriver is included in the Varden kit that you get, and then I purchased the lumber for $6. So it's a really cheap option if you want an alternative to wall mounting. So I'll just show you a little bit about what comes with the kit before we get into the demonstration. So as I said, the Varden kit is all inclusive. So you'll find in the kit a template to help you mount it and measure where everything goes and where the brackets go. That's really great. The template also has the instructions that you'll need, so you can follow that along, list of materials. And then as I said, the 2x4 pieces that I purchased to mount it. And then over here we have the growing kit itself. So it comes with a metal bracket that we're going to mount, and then these shelves which will snap on and off, and the garden socks that you set on the shelf. So these I filled with some potting mix and compost. You fill them yourselves. That kit, that also comes in the kit, so you can fill the socks and set them on the trays. You'll also find the brackets and the screws, all the materials you need, as well as some zip ties to mount the irrigation drip line in each of the shelves. So the kit comes with all of that for you, and next we're going to go ahead and show you how to mount it onto the lumber.